Good morning everyone. Today I believe Shinde here standing before you to tell an amazing speech on a case study on women leadership in Panchayati Raj. The case study focuses on the life and accomplishments of Srimati Mamta Devi, a young woman from the marginalized scheduled caste SC community of Soti Dakot Panchayat. The Panchayat is located in the Dharamshala block of Kangra district in Himachal Pradesh. The case study explores how elected women leaders in the Panchayati Raj institutions (PRI) succeed in their role despite the highly patriarchal and traditional social norms prevalent in the region. Srimati Mamta Devi's story is an excellent story of women empowerment, leadership in PRI, and community development. Mamta's success can be attributed to a combination of personal growth and trainings through awareness and trainings from odd job, a sincere desire to help both herself and others, and connections with agencies like CORD, NGO, and the government, all before taking on the role of an effective Pradhan. She did a commendable job by engaging people in PRI, not just by knowing and understanding the PRI process, issues, and by taking practical actions to achieve results. Some work examples in her first and second term exhibited this very well. That is, tackling employment issue, livelihood development, women mobilization, infrastructure development, issues of law college, and so on. As Pradhan, she furthered positive relationships with all stakeholders within and outside the Panchayat and made sure that her activities and policies did not alienate those who opposed her. By displaying maturity and active engagement in her participations and using a direct and focused approach to problem solving, Srimati Mamta, though from a poor and marginalized family, has been able to bring people together and demonstrate positive changes in the community and local self-governance. Srimati Mamta Devi believes that the intent and spirit of the 73rd Constitutional Amendments can only be achieved by a strong will towards empowering Panchayat and not by just treating them as mere agents for implementing various programs and schemes in a top-down manner. Autonomy and community requirements need to be prioritized and top-down planning and delayed decisions on firm disbursement need to be changed. She acknowledges that there are some efforts for decentralizing by shifting funds and responsibility towards the Panchayat. Mamta's struggles, issues, and challenges as an outcome of this case study could be further leveraged by concerned trainers, stakeholders, and policy makers in this domain to strengthen and build efficiency in the institutions of Panchayati Raj in India. Such a great woman with so many powers to handle difficult situations in a very intelligent way. So we should respect women in our country and we should not treat them inferior to men. Thank you.